How to be the happiest woman in this world. Meeting that woman inside you, finding that feminine inside you, the wild flow inside you. How to be the best woman in this world, to be the best version of yourself every day, finding the purity of heart and clarity of mind, coming back to your axis, your center of axis, becoming more feminine without copying the masculine way of doing things. Because everybody is unique, every woman is unique in this world. There is no comparison or competition, but becoming the better version of you every day. How to find the best man in this world? It is the reflection of your masculine inside you, which we meet as a mirror, the masculine outside, the man outside. It is just a reflection of our masculinity inside. So the balance of masculine and feminine inside and the inner union can bring the bliss and peace, and you can stay with yourself with joyfulness, happiness, and with wholesome. In this inner world of you, there is a blooming of flower every day, and the fragrance of the feminine